This time we've logged in with a free account. This possibility allows you to have access to a limited amount of profiles and a limited number of filters, which in this case are name or email of the student, gender, country, sport they play, and intended date to start college. The rest of the filters are saved for the premium account users. Let's try it out. Let's say we want to find a female player who is from Spain and plays soccer. Let's click on search button after entering all the filters, and this is what we get. We get the 3 profiles and we get all the information about the PSA. Information such as date of birth, scouter they're working with, level of competition they play, being Tier 1 the highest competition level and Tier 4 the lower one, etc. We must warn you that not all profiles will have all the aforementioned information available from the very beginning, because we are constantly receiving new videos, test scores, creating new profiles and completing the information on each of them as we receive it. If you're interested or want to see the full profile in a full screen, you need to click on anywhere inside the information and it will direct you to the full profile of the player. Here you will be able to see all the earlier mentioned information more in depth and photos by scrolling down, and you will also be able to see more videos by clicking the button "See all my videos."